I'm calling you, Swat. Did you see I'm calling you?
All
Vicky,
this
I'm
time.
calling you.
Anekia. Anekia.
You again?
Anekia, come on. You can go through all this all by yourself. You need someone. I know that you need me. She, Uti, we need to know as a get to okay? Even the fridge you may cry my bahasi. The whole crowd for me. You can see, say, I talk from my head like Niti cry me. But for the love I have for you, I'm here. Mipacho bra, my Kasa. I'm here to help you. I mean no harm. Please come out. Let's talk. Nanekia. Come on. I'm here for you. Come on. Let me in so we talk. Come on, Nanekia. I'm bastard. How an answer. Visa. You're too weak. Send me cry. Call me back. Okay, to show. Now betray. Where can you see behind a trim? With the same so that I can help you.
I don't need anybody.
Oh no, come on.
I can handle it by myself.
Come on, no, you cannot. Okay, to show. Now betray. Where can you see behind a trim? With the same so that I can help you. So can we talk?
You want to know?
Sure.
You want to help?
Sure.
Okay.
Fine. The whole TV so much, what radio so like let's be the same TV wow. Then I didn't see it. Keep it picture me.
There is nothing to confirm. Only your confirmation then. Any rumors? You're more kind. And now I'm going to catch it.
Yeah, come on. I was like, I'm for classic. Can't wait. Oh, and then just rumors. And then rumors kicking. But when I read here, I confirm it the exact thing. We've been friends since childhood. I'm going to help you.
You want to help me?
Sure.
My problem is David.
What about you? I've been seeing your images on television, voices on radio, all that. So, like you so supporting everything. So, really,
That is history. It's history. It's past. It's not happening again. In Sibium, not all, he used to do those things, but it's like he's fed up.
David.
Talking about David being supportive. Like, yes, David was supportive. You know, everything is past now. Listen, I don't want to. Okay, listen. David was very supportive to me. He used to. Then I mean Kakrano, and then I David now he does everything for me. Going there, David is there. David, please, I'll handle this. No, okay, I will do it for you. That was the kind of guy I was with. That was the kind of guy David was. But no, not again. When you be David is fed up with me. he can't handle me again.
I don't get it. So, Oya Day, what did he do exactly? I want to know. Oya Day.
You know, everybody knows. Obibo Benny behind him said David was every woman's dream. Going to the police station to report, David was there. To the hospital for checkups, David was there. Otimi China Jumatua for a whole week just to follow me to do certain things that I need to do about this issue. And it haunts me more than the nightmare now air hunting Sisiano is the day we went to my boss's house. Sweetheart, I wasted that day never ended.
Aga, now Kwaba. Now Pomoy. Oh, I know pay me from one yabone. And now we could draw you, ma'am. Nah, my secretary did let me mammy for more. Now, making care letter him and it was a vaccination letter. So I was like, why? I was not expecting that from a queer. Why should it be so? No cry, I have a power. And then I've been thinking about it over and over again. Although, so what's the two? What place you reasons? But I was not expecting that. I was not expecting that. See, I made up my mind to make from now. What about I'm in come on? I'm throw on your body.
But the thing is, once about in where mama now you're calling men, me call who you mean necessary now. I'm not madame that a semi so. Sad problem ever to mamma. If you are not a carnugum, cemetery, console no mind for tear. What shall I say? No good, and I'm a kind sanka. The same judges as a media nakatano of money, they couldn't eat me. The corn drank as a surgery one. Maybe not, you could pay to my food. It's not reaching.
Metwase, Obibiara of assassin situation, our maybe I will say whatever you say, and then I understand. But in life is all about risk. So what risk here? I have made a lot of risk up in my life, and I see where I am. So because I come a life story, I told you I call it but it's okay. But to go to the extent say, I don't think so. So I was thinking, it's okay. Let me talk to you and let's see. Can I give you out like 3 months? 3 months leave. Meet your car normally. Normal. Now what can I say? You let me feel 3 months and relax. And then after that, I believe so. During that time, everything will be alright.
So let me come in here. She's the lady I am with for now, and then trust me, a lot of things are happening in her life right now, which is affecting her so badly, and affecting me so as. Because on your sound, there's no way to my ear.
He said Amokasa is, I understand, it's a psychiatrical, to see a psychiatrist, no worries. In my company, no, Ubusan of a catcher, no insurance or company, a cover of Bibera, or more, we lost all my lives now. It has been a come up above it, no problem. No problem. And then make us say in life, we all risk, what I say. Until you know, determine who they will be see.
No, special. Many kind of be better. Mammy, who you know, or cutting to 6 months. But then the son can do 1 month, they can't after the year and meeting because the trauma is too much.
Too much. It's too much.
If
at least from 7 to a year, dear, you should let us have it. Or the best set so why be come out. No, but you a peace of mind because on your sound, I want to mean you, mama.
Yeah, I understand. All right, no problem. I still need you in my company. I need you in my company. So, oh dear, like Matthias here, let's put it that way. And see whatever the issue was, in be a better trend to be if there is any update, there was a even financial and be I have to take everything, but. So was one responsibility. I don't have any problem. I'm sorry, sir, Basa. I'm sorry, sir, Basa. And you know, I by bend and so then you remember myself. or in the frame. Whatever the issue is, my mommy, like I said, I hold 100% responsible for this particular issue. It was.
But I saw nothing wrong with what David did. That was it. It was cool. So, what actually happened? Didn't see it.
Tina make us listen. I wish says Adana you come apostle it's never ended. Jane, I can answer. If it's a particular day, you come a boss say boss and I see you coffee. You do feel we were all tired and David said we should go out. At least when I had brain stress now me go through. So we dressed up and then we went and Korea we bought everything we would need. At the supermarket when we finished everything. Now I quite remember when we were coming.
Baby, I'm waiting.